Hey everyone, so one of the most frequently asked questions I get is how often do I relax my hair? Now, I relax my hair every 4 to 5 weeks. I'm gonna add a clip that I put on my Instagram because I kind of wanted to talk about it. I added a clip of me showing my new growth, how it looks right now. Right now, my hair is this is air dried. Like, I didn't detangle it, I didn't blow dry it, I didn't do anything but wash it and condition it, and this is how it looks. I just wanted to come and show y'all how my hair looks when it's air dried. So now that I've shown you that, after I cut the video off, I'm gonna add some leave-in conditioner, heat protectant, and I really like this right here. This is, to me, it's like a leave-in conditioner. It says that it's a Keratin Rescue Split End Repair, but I like using this because it's creamy and it really helps to detangle my hair. But anyway, getting back to the video, I'm just letting y'all know what I'm doing after I cut this off, because I feel like this gonna be a mess to detangle. I already know this is gonna be a whole hot mess to detangle. But anyway, I'm gonna do it in sections. But so I wanted to talk about how often I relax my hair, because a lot of people ask me that, like, still, even now. I relax it every 4 to 5 weeks. And I do that because if I go longer than that, my hair is just gonna get matted, it's gonna get tangly, it's gonna break off. It's just gonna lead to breakage, like, and bad shedding. And so I found that for me, staying around like maybe 6 weeks at the very most, 6 weeks, but even that's pushing it for me, because then it's like the amount of matting at my scalp, and then you get tired and frustrated and you just kind of start getting impatient, and then breakage. Even if I take my time, it's still pop, like, and it's crazy because, like, we try to compare ourselves to somebody else, like another blogger or whatever, but at the end of the day, you just have to do what's best for you, because your hair is on your head and you know your hair best. Like, just because this person over here can stretch for a whole year or 6 months or 3 months or however long they're stretching, that doesn't mean that's right for you. You have to find what's right for you. Maybe you can stretch for 3 months, 6 months, a year, whatever, if that's right for you. But the thing is, we start comparing ourselves to each other, and other people compare themselves to us, and that's not right, because you're not that person and you don't have their hair on top of your head, so you can't really judge them. Like, some people, I've had some people to tell me, like, oh, you can easily stretch your hair to like 3 months. Like, if I can do it, you can do it. Okay, first of all, like, we're two different people. We have different DNA. You seeing me on video. You don't see me right here in front of my face, so it's different. Like, and even if it wasn't, even if you still like, oh, I see you in person, it's the same, you still just, people's hair texture and the thickness of it and the volume of it is different for each person. So just because we try to type our hair, like, oh, she has 4C hair, she has 3B hair, or whatever, we try to use that to compare ourselves with each other, to find other people, to see what they're doing. But at the end of the day, you still got to find out what your hair likes, because just because your hair, just because her hair likes this product, don't mean your hair gonna like it. Just because her hair doesn't like the product, your hair may love it. Who knows? You got to find out what's right for you. Sorry, my sinuses. And yes, I did relax my hair with both of my boys, both of my pregnancies. A lot of people ask me that as well. They're like, well, did you relax your hair while you was pregnant? Or don't, you know, they ask me questions around that. Yes, I relaxed my hair my entire pregnancies with both of my boys, and they came out with more hair than I had. And you know what I'm saying, they don't always had a lot of hair. You know, now I get them a haircut, but like, as babies, they just had these huge afros. So I mean, but like I said again, just because I did that, if you don't feel comfortable doing that, don't do it. That's what I'm saying. We look at other people and then we try to make a determination of what we should do. It's nothing wrong with getting advice and talking about it, but at the end of the day, you got to find out what's right for you and what the choice you want to make. That's all I could think about surrounding my new growth and how my hair looks blow dry, a hot mess. And I'll come and show y'all how it looks after I after I blow dry. I just come back to show y'all how it looks. I might do that. If I do, I'll add the clip at the end. But what I want y'all to do is leave me comments below. Let me know how often you relax. Let me know what relaxer you use. And let me know what's the cutoff for you. Like when you start to notice breakage, shedding, thinning hair. Like what's that break off point for you when you know like I don't need to go past such and such week. So that's my tidbit. Okay, so here's what my hair looks like when it's detangled and blow dry. I know somebody in the comments gonna be like, well, why didn't you detangle it when you air dried it? Because it was still gonna be the same result. So I just literally let it air dry and then went through my regular wash day. But anyway, as you can see, it's still kind of puffy and voluminous, but the blow dryer helped it to be more not looking crazy. Like my hair is looking kind of thick and voluminous because of my new growth. But I feel like heated tools are made to be the devil, which I mean, you don't want to overuse them or nothing like that. But if you use them in modesty, like just don't overuse them, use them every day, you know what I'm saying? But like they can be a good tool to, I mean, I don't know, that's just me. But anyway, this is how I'm looking. I'm going to use this hair straightening brush right here. I did a review of this already, if you want to see this in another video, so you can see how it looks, how the results look after using a brush like this. I will leave the link above to that video. But yeah, my hair is much better with a blow dryer than air drying it. Like I say, if I do air dry it, I'll let it get like maybe 70 to 80%, and then I'll go ahead and go through with the blow dryer. That way the heat doesn't have to be on your hair as long because it's already kind of partially dry. So I'll do that. I usually let it like dry 70 to 80%, and then I'll blow dry the rest. And I still get good results. Whatever. So if you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.